After 3 weeks of just getting situated, I took the bike out maybe a handful of times. Even picked up my daughter from her neighborhood to get used to the Floridian drivers, to kind of get my confidence and comfort out here. My wife still can't ride with, but she's gonna follow in the car. We're gonna check out a local beach. Figured just get a recording of a good ride over here. So we're keeping it local, and we're heading over to Honeymoon Beach. If this is your first time to the channel, thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe, share, hit that like button. It really helps support us create content for you guys in what we love doing, which is riding our motorcycles. So be sure to subscribe. Wow, this is beautiful. Ride was a little chunky, a little bit of traffic, but $4. You get to go to this park here. You like, Mama?
Love it.
You know, we're gonna hit challenges in life. That's normal. We expect it. And as Christians, I always lean on God. He's gonna get us through it, because he always has. But in these moments like this, where we get that rest, that moment of rest, and see all of this beauty, God is so good to us in all circumstances. So with the ride here, standing here. I just want to give my God all the glory. I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ. You'll hear me say it a lot of times. But when there's a moment of rest, knowing that life is tough, it's going to kick you in the face. Here's where I'm grateful for his mercies. All the time, not just now. And that's why I ride my motorcycle, believe it or not. It's my time of worship. It's my time of reflection. Your brain kind of turns off because you got to focus on the road. Then when you hit a destination like this, even if it's just for a split minute, God is so good. We live in Florida.
Florida.
We live in Florida. That's nice.
Is it nice?
Windy, but it's nice.
It's not Illinois.
It's not Illinois, that's right. I think I'm not going home. I'm going to stay right here. That's stupid. No, I'm not. The one part I do like about being out here, a lot of walking. My walking stamina has increased greatly. She's either looking for seashells or cleaning the beach.
Seashells, and they better not be alive if something open up at me.
Not sure if that mic picked that up. Be curious to see. I actually walked a bit. I don't even feel it.
No, exactly. It's awesome.
All right. Let's see if some of this fat comes off me. Me. Oof, close one. I'm hungry. He's ready to go.
Very.
He's gonna check out this place she wants to check out. What's it called again?
Diesel Garage Grill and Bar.
Diesel Garage Grill and Bar. Let's go check it out. So we came over to Diesel Grill and Bar. Hey, it's my buddy. Bumblebee.
Outside or inside?
We could do inside.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Some nachos. For fried pig. I mean, fried. Let me try it again. Fried. What is it? I can't say it. She's mad at me.
Oh yeah, I think he did.
Pretty good bar setup. All right. And what is this? A mango beer.
Mango cart. Tastes really, really good.
What?
Mango cart.
Mango cart. Hmm? Just walking by. Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Broke
Who went
like
for you?
60 laws to get here.
Oh yeah. All of them. Every single one.
Oh wait, I mean,
A lot of editing. What'd you get?
Wings, garlic parmesan. The fries look really good.
Burger.
too, guys.
No,
They're that, like,
it's private. It's naked.
yeah.
Private burger.
They're that like
Private burger.
psoriasis.
We're gonna blur it
Yeah.
with the black.
it's my private property.
They are.
You got the same thing about with the Gouda, right?
Mm-hmm.
It looks very Gouda.
No.
That was my dad joke. Thief. We just got home, and I gotta say, I love riding out here in Florida. I just gorgeous beach over at Honeymoon Island. Had a blast. Got some good pictures, and then we had a moment to go and relax. Now she comes out. Had a moment to relax and chill. So if any of you guys are from the Tampa area and you want to show me around on some routes and some rides and that, hit me up. let's see if we plan something. Wouldn't mind seeing what's around here, what's good places to go riding, but hit me up. Otherwise, thank you guys. God bless you. And remember, find a purpose for your ride. Make sure that whatever it is, mental health, moment, bring things together, just find a purpose for your ride. God bless you. Peace.